Quotient of powers with the same base. In the quotient or division of powers with the same base and any value for the exponent, one can simply give the same base and subtract the exponents. This is very similar to the property of the product of powers with the same base, but now instead of adding the exponents, we subtract them. Observe the following example. 4 to the power of 7 divided by 4 to the power of 5 can be solved by using the previously stated definition of powers. The quotient of 4 multiplied by itself 7 times and 4 multiplied by itself 5 times, resulting in 4 squared, or 16. Using the property quotient of powers with the same base, one gives the same base 4 and subtract the exponents 7 minus 5. We'll have the same result, 4 squared. Now, if we have x to the power of 105 dividing by x to the power of 55, it makes it easier to apply the property of the quotient of powers with the same base. Having then x to the power of 105 minus 55, that is equal to the monomial x to the power of 50, or x multiplied by itself 50 times.